Hi guys, welcome back for another video. It's Easter today, so let's begin with eggs. The quails have an egg, however it's just laying around in the middle. So, they've started, but we'll need to wait until they have laid more eggs before she will make a nest. Some quails do lay eggs around the whole cage and later will roll them together in a nest. This is a defense mechanism. Predators will only find one egg and not the whole clutch. If the whole clutch is brought together, she will sit on it and she will serve as a camouflage. As you can see, I also gave my quails a mini update, with a new bush which they can explore and use as hiding place. The female is already checking it out. The male is only interested in offering the female some new food he just found. Unfortunately for him, she doesn't look that interested. Changing environments can be good for your birds. It's a great enrichment for them to look for new stuff and explore every new corner. However, a complete new environment can also be very stressful for your birds, so always change only a small part of your cage at a time. But back to our egg hunt. Our next stop are two parakeets. The male Aviary parakeet is very restless, waiting for his chicks to hatch. The female is not leaving the nest and I think she's even fed by her mate. She laid 8 eggs in total, which is a bit much. So we did a quick test to see if we had some fertile eggs. I bought this very useful lamp last year in recommendation of you guys, and it worked great. You can bend it in every way you want, so you can get a good view at every egg. And we have fertile eggs. That's great. Now we know for sure we have a couple. We removed 3 eggs which were definitely not fertile and checked again a week later. As you can see, she's desperate to stay on the eggs, which is a good thing. It's also good that it seems she trusts us. A bit. This makes it easier to check the eggs when they hatch. Eventually we have 4 fertile eggs and 1 which is not fertile. From the day this video goes up, we have to wait almost 2 weeks before they will hatch. Here you can see a close-up of one of the fertile eggs. Time for the next eggs, the golden finch eggs. This whole clutch is infertile. Last year this female also laid a completely infertile nest. She's already more than 6 years old, so maybe her age is getting to her. We will have to see. We still have the chicks from last year, which are from a different father, so maybe we can make a couple with one of the chicks and the white-breasted male. And this super female can retire and relax for the rest of her time. Then the rest of the bird gallery. Still nothing from the owl finches. Soon I will switch the female with the other female. We will have to see if that's more success. The star finches are doing great. They love to sing and bait the whole day. As told last time, the water is good for the humidity in their cage, which will simulate the rainy season in Australia. Both male and female collected a ton of cocos fiber to make a nest. However, they can't really decide where. They even build a nest and take out the fibers again to build another. They won't choose their nest boxes, but are trying their luck in all the plants provided to them. In nature, these birds also make their nests in a bush, and like a lot of other species, are great architectures. The female eventually decided that the top right corner was the best location. On top of the nest box was the perfect place for a nest. The nest is very shallow and small, so hopefully everything goes well. But the first 2 eggs are a fact. We have to wait a couple of days to see if she will start breeding. That's it for today. Happy Easter, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos. Hit the bell so you don't miss an upload. And I see you next time. Remember, stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!